This video is a recipe video. Here I am sharing an evening snack which is very famous in Kerala, Malabar area. I don't know what you call this in English. In Malayalam we call it mutta marichadu. So do check out, this is very easy and very tasty one. After watching this video, if you liked it, please give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. So let's see how to make it. For making this we need only very few ingredients. Our main ingredient is eggs. Here I am taking 5 eggs. These are larger ones. If you are taking smaller one, you can make it into 6 or 7 eggs. Now mix it well. You don't want any electric beater or blender. You can just beat it with a whisk, or even a fork is enough. Now we can mix it well. Now we'll go for the second ingredient, and it is 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. This will reduce the smell of egg. Now we can beat it and mix well. You can add cardamom powder instead of vanilla essence, or you can go for both. And next we'll add sugar. Here I'm adding 5 tablespoons of sugar. That is, for 5 eggs I'm adding 5 tablespoons of sugar. Now let's give a good mix. Finally, to balance the taste, we will add a pinch of salt. If the sugar is dissolved completely in this egg, then your batter is ready. Now the batter is ready, let's keep this aside. Here a small work is left, so for that heat a frying pan and add 1.5 tablespoon of ghee to it. Add some cashews to it and roast it. Here cashews turn light brown in color, so next we'll add raisins to it. Roast that well. Here both cashews and raisins are ready. We'll take it off. So next I am taking the same frying pan with some leftover ghee and giving a final mix to this batter. And pouring this batter completely to this frying pan. And don't forget to make sure your flame is at the lowest, because these eggs will stick at the bottom easily. Let's close it with the lid and keep it for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, after 4 minutes we are just opening the lid. Now you can see it is half cooked, so let's add the roasted raisins and cashews to it. Again we'll close it and keep it for 4 more minutes. Again after 4 minutes we'll just open it, and here you can see it is cooked well. Just press it and see. So here our snack is ready. We'll just off the flame. Our mutta marichadu is ready. You can even try this with more eggs. It will become more fluffy. So do try it out and let me know if you liked it or not. If you liked it, please give a big thumbs up and give your feedback in comment box. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon to get notified. Thank you for watching this video, and thanks a lot for supporting this channel. So see you next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.